I really can't stay.
Bitch, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
Get the fuck out.
This evening has been so very nice.
It's been alright.
My mother will start to worry.
Dumb bitch.
My father will be pacing the floors.
That little limp bum leg of his.
So really I'd better scurry.
Like a fucking squirrel.
Well, maybe just a half a drink more.
Gonna get you drunk.
The neighbors might think.
Damn nosy neighbors.
Say, what's in this drink?
I might have pissed in it.
I wish I knew how to break the spell. I ought to say no, no, sir.
Oh.
At least I'm gonna say that I tried.
Good effort.
I really can't stay.
Bitch,
But
it's
it's cold outside.